Hello and welcome to this video. So first I will show you how to download the book. Now you can go to astalker.org and you click this link and the book will be downloaded. One thing is that you don't need to remember this process. I will put the link of this PDF in the video in the description of the video. So this is the 26th set of problems on algebra. And we will solve problem number 251 to 260 in this video. So as I always say that you should pause the video when I'm stating the problem, and only if you cannot solve the problem then look at the solution. So without further ado, let's get started. So question 251 says that solve 5 plus 2 square root of 6 to the power x square minus 3 plus 5 minus 2 square root of 6 to the power x square minus 3 is equal to 10. So the key observation which you have to make in this question is that 5 plus 2 square root of 6 is reciprocal of 5 minus 2 square root of 6. If you multiply them, it will be 1. 5 square would be 25. 2 into 2 would be 4 into 6, 24. So 25 minus 24 would be 1. Now, so to solve this question, we let 5 plus 2 square root of 6 to the power x square minus 3 is equal to y. This should be y. Okay, there is a typing mistake. Then the other one would be 1 minus 1 by y. So the equation will be y plus 1 by y is equal to 10. So we have y square minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. So we have let y is equal to here. Then again here. Okay. Alright, no problem. Y square minus 10y plus 1 is equal to 0. So the roots of this equation would be plus 5 plus minus 2 square root of 6. So x square minus 3 would be plus minus 1. So x would be plus minus 2 and plus minus square root of 2 depending on whether it is plus 1 or minus 1. Question 252 says that a car travels 25 km per hour faster than a bus for a journey of 500 kilometers. The bus takes 10 hours more than the car. Find the speed of the bus and the car. So we let the speed of the bus to be x km per hour. So the speed of car will become x plus 25. Time taken by bus would be 500 kilometers by x km per hour, that is 500 by x hours. And time taken by the car would be 500 by x plus 25. So given that the bus takes 10 more hours, so 500 by x is equal to 500 by x plus 25 plus 10. This gives you a quadratic equation x square minus 25x plus 1250 is equal to 0. So if you solve this quadratic equation, there is something wrong in this equation. Okay, this should be plus 25. Okay, should be plus 25. Maybe you can factorize this and check for equation. Looks minus 50, so x should be 50. Okay, let's do a quick calculation. Okay, so we bring this to this side, so it would be 500 by x minus 500 by x plus 25. So x plus 25 and multiplied by this 10 we can cancel, so 50 by x is equal to 50 by x plus 25. So x when multiplied with the 50 would be 50x, and then 25 will be 1250. So this would be plus, and this 50x will get cancelled. And then x square plus 25x will get multiplied with 1. So x square plus 25x will be here on the right side. And then we bring, it should be plus, and this 1250 would be minus. Okay. So that's the equation, the plus minus signs are exchanged. So now you solve it, you get x is equal to 25, and therefore the speed of car would be 50 kilometers per hour. Question number 253 says that show that the roots of the equation a plus b whole square into x square minus 2 into a square minus b square into x plus a minus b whole square is equal to 0 are equal. We know that roots are equal when discriminant is 0. So we just have to show that the discriminant is 0. So if we calculate the discriminant, it becomes 4 into a square minus b square whole square, that is the coefficient of x squared, minus 4 into a plus b whole square into a minus b whole square. Now a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So the discriminant is 0 and the roots will be equal. Next question says that, question 254 says that, show that the equation 3x square plus 7x plus 8 is equal to 0 cannot be satisfied by any real values of x. We simply calculate the discriminant. It is 49 minus 8 3 ja 24, 4 ja 96. That is a negative value. So the roots will be complex conjugate pairs. Pair, not pairs. So it won't be real. Now next question is question 255. For what values of a will the roots of the equation 3x square plus 7 plus a into x plus 8 minus a is equal to 0 will be equal? So again, there looks like to be typing mistake. There is a 96 missing. So you can fix the calculation of question 255. It is definitely wrong, and find the value of a by following a similar technique. I will update this in the PDF question 255. All right. Question 256 says that if the roots of the equation a square plus b square into x square plus 2 into ac plus bd into x plus c square plus d square equal to 0 are equal, then show that a is to b is equal to c is to d. So like always, we set the discriminant to be 0 for equal roots. So get 4 into ac plus bd whole square minus 4 into a square plus b square into c square plus d square. Now, in this expression, a square, c square and b square, d square will be cancelled. This and this will be cancelled. So what we will have is ad minus bc whole square. Once we have that, we can say that ad is equal to bc and a by b is equal to c by d. Question 257 says that, prove that the roots of the equation b minus c into x square plus 2 into c minus a into x plus a minus b is equal to 0 are always real. So again, we calculate the discriminant, and you can go through this expansion and calculation, and finally you will arrive at 1 by half into a minus b whole square plus b minus c whole square plus into c minus a whole square. Now this equation is product of 3 squares, so minimum value possible is 0, and otherwise it will be greater than 0, and therefore the roots will be real. Next question is, show that the roots of the equation 1 by x minus a plus 1 by a plus 1 by x minus 1 is equal to 0 are real for all real values of a. So in this case, we take LCM, we get the equation as x square minus a plus 1 minus a square is equal to 0 after LCM. So the discriminant would be a plus 1 whole square plus 4a square, which is greater than 0 for all a, and hence roots would be real. 258. Now we come to 259. Show that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, the roots of the equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are rational. Excuse me. So the discriminant would be b square minus 4ac, but we are given that a plus b plus c is equal to 0, so b would be minus a plus c. We put the value of b in the discriminant, we get a plus c whole square minus 4ac, which will be equal to a minus c whole square, which is either 0 or positive, hence roots are rational. Question 260 says that, prove that the roots of equation b plus c minus 2a into x square plus c plus a minus 2b into x plus a plus b minus 2c is equal to 0 are rational. So like previous problem, we calculate the discriminant, which turns out to be 9 into a minus c whole square, which is greater than or equal to 0, and therefore roots are rational. So with this, we come to the end of 26 set of problems. I will fix question number 255 and show you in the next video. Now, I hope that you are finding this playlist of algebra useful and informative for your studies and exams. I wish you luck in your studies, and at the end, I will say what all YouTubers say. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and you can press the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Other than that, don't forget to like and share the videos on social media so that more people can benefit from these videos, which is the ultimate objective of making such videos. And it takes quite a bit of effort to create such a PDF, large PDF. I have taken a lot of effort to create the algebra book. So uh, there are some expectations when you take the effort that people will appreciate the effort. That's the natural human tendency. So with that, I will end the video, and thanks a lot for watching. Enjoy.